I am Yaya, and this is my 98 Honda Civic. So today I'm going to be recharging my AC system. It is blowing hot air. I went to the port store and got this. Let's see how it works. So first, we're going to find the low pressure port and use this gauge to measure the pressure. So it's supposed to be on the blue. Right now, it's like going towards the green. So we're going to try to fill it up. So this is what happened. We sprayed onto the pressure, went up to the blue. So let's go check the AC now, see if anything changed. It feels a lot cooler now. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, see how cold it gets. So it's been 3 minutes. The air is a lot cooler. It did work, thank God. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video and please subscribe to see more updates on my project. Thank you guys. See you next time.